Alright, so I got the new Pit Smoked Brisket sandwich. I'm gonna give it a try here. It's good. It comes with barbecue sauce and smoked cheddar, and they're saying that it's smoked for over 13 hours, which is pretty awesome. It's a really delicious sandwich. My mom made me promise I'd put lots of veggies on it. It's a gift card from my mom, and thanks so much, Mom. And I'll take another bite here. I cheated on my diet and got a pomegranate limeade, and it's real good too. Excellent, very, very good. Hello, so I had the pit roasted brisket at Subway. I had the foot long, and I cheated on my diet and had a pomegranate limeade, and it was delicious. I refilled with unsweet tea though, so I did the right thing the second time around, and it was delicious. It was such a good sandwich. It had the smoked brisket, and then they put barbecue sauce on top, and then smoked cheddar cheese, and they cooked that up, and then I had them put it on the multi-grain wheat, and had them toast that, and then I got tomato, cucumber, spinach, and black olives, and I liked it a lot. It tasted real good, real great sandwich. Highly recommend it. Definitely check it out. I think it's only for a limited time, but it was real good. And so for sure, check it out. And damn, my green screen is slutty tonight. But it was real awesome, real good sandwich, and can't recommend it enough. But I'm going to do some work tonight. I'm going to make a new movie. I own the rights to some videos, but unfortunately I can't upload them to YouTube. I can't let you watch them for free, so I'm going to put a real small price tag on them, like $3 a piece, and then you can stream them online, or you can download them and have a copy for yourself, a digital copy. And they're all real good professional videos, professionally done, all on the topic of making money online, and I know everyone's interested in that. So be sure and check it out, and I'll post links when they're ready to go and let you know when they're ready to watch. And would really appreciate your support if you could spend a couple bucks and watch some of my premium videos. That would be awesome. But for now, just comment, thumbs up or thumbs down, and check out the links in the description. You can see where I'm going to be selling my movies. I got a how to make 10K passive income a month movie right now. I got it listed at $7. It's real awesome. If you want to watch it, that'd be great. And thanks so much for tuning in.